M-estimator, encoding. It is another variation of target mean encoding. It is designed to handle outliers in target variable. The idea is to assign a weight to each category based on its deviation from the overall class frequency. This weight is then used to adjust the encoding of the categorical variable, giving more importance to underrepresented categories. Thus, M-estimator is a robust statistical estimator, is less influenced by extreme values. This is how the formula looks like. We need to get count and mean of each category, and mean of overall target across all categories. M is the smoothing parameter. Now, what are its advantages? It is robust to outliers, as I highlighted, reducing overfitting, and datasets where some categories appear infrequently. M-estimator encoding helps to stabilize the encoded values by smoothing them towards the overall mean, thereby preventing overfitting to rare categories. It is especially beneficial for tree-based models, like random forest gradient boosting, where reducing the noise in categorical features can significantly improve model performance. Handling categorical features handling with predictive power. When the categorical variable has a strong relationship with the target variable, M-estimator encoding can effectively leverage this relationship, unlike frequency or one-hot encoding. Now, what are its limitations? Parameter sensitivity. The effectiveness of M-estimator encoding depends on the choice of the smoothing parameter, which may require tuning. Potential data leakage. If not applied correctly, particularly with target variables, it can lead to data leakage, where information from the test set contaminates the training set. Not suitable for all models. While beneficial for tree-based models, it may not be the best choice for linear models unless the relationship between the categorical variable and target is strong. Now, let's go through some sample code using Python. First, we will import pandas and NumPy. Here we are using a toy dataset with 3 columns. Temperature and color are categorical variable, while target contain the target values. We load this dataset in a data frame. Next is to create a function which take data frame, column to convert, target, and parameter must input, target, and parameter. We calculate global mean. Then category-specific count and mean using pandas group B and aggregate methods. Then we use the formula to calculate the encoded value. Function returned the mapped value for entire column based on the calculated value. Now we use the above function to encode temperature and color separately. In both cases we use EM parameter value as one here. Final data frame looks as this. Okay. Another implementation could be using category encoders library. Same dataset we are using in a data frame. Then we initialize the M-estimator encoder for both temperature and color columns with M as 1. Then we fit transform and use the target field. Now, this is the final converted data frame, and values are same as we did earlier. That's all for this video. Found this video helpful? Let us know by smashing that like button, and for more amazing content, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for updates.